This video is designed for educational purposes only and is not intended for do-it-yourself projects. Licensed, permitted, and insured contractors must be hired and must follow local plumbing and electrical building codes. The majority of Ella walk-in tubs are equipped with the industry's best dual drain technology. Dual 2-inch drains provide fast, efficient drainage. The floor drain covers are height adjustable for optimum sealing and draining function. Ella's dual drain technology showcases gravity-driven T-type 4-port dual 2-inch drains. The dials function as overflow protection and utilize a stainless steel cable with lever to open or close each floor drain. The dual drain also works as a vent system, allowing for fast air pocket relief and drainage. Here we can clearly see the dual 2-inch drains with 4 ports. Our field tests show tub drainage at 53 seconds under ideal conditions. Connect all 4 drains or connect either side depending on house drain condition. Use caps to seal unused port. Here we show several different drain configurations and how they adapt to the position of the house drain. Here's a view to show how the tub drain meets the house drain through a cutout in the floor. The default frame and threshold height is preset to allow the drain piping to pass underneath the tub and above the floor to tap into the existing house drain. However, the frame can be lowered for a 3-inch threshold height using the leveling legs. Drains for this configuration must be in a recessed position, below the subfloor. In this case, there must be service access below the subfloor to allow proper connections of drain and overflow. Ella offers a 5-piece or a 2-piece fast fill faucet set. Each comes with an extendable multifunction hand shower. Ella tubs are shipped with 5-foot supply lines. Here's an example of 3/4-inch shutoff valves which we strongly recommend you install near the tub or somewhere very close for easy access and service. Ella makes sure the electrical components are clearly marked and easily accessible. The pumps and other electronics are UL certified, user-friendly, easily connected, and simply plug into a GFCI receptacle. Every tub must be perfectly level and door must be perfectly aligned prior to filling and testing. Adjust the level of your particular tub with the adjustable legs. Once the tub is perfectly level, testing can begin. Please consult the installation manual for detailed instructions. Call us today at 800-480-6850 or visit our website at ellasbubbles.com.